Hello guys, welcome to my channel and easy one. So in this video I want to talk about this particular website which I earn this amount of USDT showing on your screen. So as you can see on the screen that I currently have about 628 USDT from this particular website. So this particular website is just like a website whereby you mine free CK token, and that CK token which you mine will be converted into real USDT. And in order for you to get started, all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates come your way. So for you to get started, all what you need to do is to go to your browser and search for Kuku Kuku network. This is what you need to search in your Chrome browser. Search for Kuku network. So this is how the interface will look like. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on it. So this particular website, I'll be jumping the link to this particular website in the description of my video. If you are using an Android, I advise you to go to where it says download for Android. So that is what you need to do. After downloading that particular app, all you need to do is to go ahead and create a new account. So what you need to do first is go ahead and insert your email address. After that, insert your password, then confirm your password. And also, once you confirm your password, all you need to do is to go ahead and click this verification code. So once you click this verification code, so they will give you a seed phrase in which you need to keep in a very safe place. So that seed phrase will be used whenever you lost your account or you cannot be able to log into your account. So you are going to use that seed phrase for you to log in into your account when you lost your account. So I advise you to keep your seed phrase in a very safe place. So once you sign up to this account, this is how your dashboard will look like. So in order for you to receive your free token, so what you need to do is to go ahead to where it says this place. You need to go to this section. So once you go to that section, this section showing on your screen here, you need to go to this place. So once you go there, all you need to do is go to where it says invite friends. So once you click on where it says invite friends, this is the code in which you are going to paste on your invite friends. So I'll be dropping this code in the description of my video. So this is the code in which you need to do to claim your free CK token. So after that, all what you need to do is for you to start mining this particular CK token. But this CK token will not be released for you, if will not be released to you unless when you make a deposit. And in order for you to make a deposit, you have to go to where it says mining. So they have a mining pool whereby you have to make a deposit, and once you deposit, you'll be earning some free CK token, and those CK token in which you earn from those mining can be withdrawn to your crypto exchange. So you can say as the sliver, this is for the sliver mining pool. So for the sliver mining pool, all you need to do is for you to deposit at least 10 USDT or 0.02 BNB. So it depends on which either asset you need to deposit. So you need to go ahead and deposit at least 10 USDT. And once you deposit this 10 USDT, this is the number of CK token which will be released to you. That is 59.51 CK token every 7 days. So this 59.51 CK token will be released to you every 7 days. And once it will be released to you, you can easily exchange it into real USDT and withdraw it to your crypto exchange. And not only that, they have like two mining pools. So they have the silver mining pool and the gold mining pool. So depend on the level of your investment. So I can say for the gold mining pool, you have to at least deposit at least 100 USDT. And once you deposit 100 USDT, this is the amount which this 100 USDT will yield for you every 7 days, 893.99 CK token. And those amount of CK token being released to you, you can easily withdraw it to your crypto exchange. This is not like other mining pool whereby you deposit and you will not be able to withdraw your CK token. So let me show you proof that I'll be withdrawing from this particular um um website. So if I go to where it says exchange, so if you click on where it says exchange, so you can see that I currently have about 416 CK token which have been released to me. So once I click on max, So if I click on max, you can see that max which I click, that is 416 CK token. This is the amount which I will receive. That is about 3.71 CK USDT, and you can see the price of 1 CK token. So this is the price of 1 CK token. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on exchange. So once you click on exchange, you can easily withdraw it either to your crypto exchange. So you can see the withdrawal proof which I've been made. You can see that I've withdrawn 1.23 CK token. I've also withdrawn 3.8 CK token. So once you do that, all you need to do in order for you to like send it to your crypto exchange, you know what to do is to go ahead and click on send. So once you click on send, it depends on which particular CK token you want to like use, or either in USDT. So if you click on USDT, go ahead and put your USDT. I would advise you to use BEP20. So go ahead and put your USDT address BEP20 and click on mass. Once you click on mass, you can easily withdraw your free USDT from this particular website. So if you got this video helpful, so all I need for you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel, and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.